Hey guys, good morning. So just now I get back from college and I gave exam. I solved the exam. So now I am taking some rest because my head is so much. My head has so much pain due to so much temperature, and I don't know why it happening. That I can't survive in this temperature. Why I feel like there are so much temperature, so that's why it feeling like this. So okay, we'll sleep now, and after having sleep, I'll have meal and then we'll go to the tuition. So I have 2 days for the next paper. So now I'll not study. I'll when I get back from tuition, I'll at that time I'll study. So tomorrow sorry, yesterday night I can't sleep properly because when I go for the sleep, I am not able to sleep. I try to sleep, but after 3 hours I uh, got sleep. So okay, first of all we'll complete my sleep. After that we'll go to the tuition. So let's go. So guys, I just came back from tuition. So now first of all I'm going to have freshen up, and after that I'll do my regular task, that is meditation. So guys, I am not able to sit properly due to my back pain, and it causes due to injections. I got injection 2 weeks ago and feel uh, yesterday. So I don't know how do I do meditation, but it's necessary to do. Okay, so first of all, I'll do freshen up, and after that, I'll do meditation. So, guys, today was paper so much worst. It was only passing marks, and some of the marks will increase, but it it was not good due to lack of study, and I can't do study due to some of reasons, that is I have illness, I had illness, and after that I I can't do in day due to the so much heat, and when I sit for the study at that time I am getting so much uh, headache, and my mind is not to concentrate properly. So okay, whatever I had today's paper, I'll not leave for anything for next paper. So now without wasting any time, I'll do now study. So okay, and want to do study. um, okay, so first of all we'll complete our regular task. Let's go. Guys, I just did meditation, but I can't do properly, which I where I told you that due to my sitting problem, due to have back problem, back pain problem. So that's why I can't do proper meditation. And uh, another thing is that room is so much this room is so much heating, and that's why you can see that my on my sweat on my face, and I'm so much wet with shirt is so much wet, and okay, whatever it is. So now I'm going to go outside because the room is so much heating, so that's why. And after some temperature will decrease, then I will do study. So whatever I have task, I'll do outside, and after that I'll have food, and then we'll do for the study. So let's go. So guys, some time ago I had meal, and after that I took rest. So now I am going to do study, but now I can't because I am getting so much headache. So that's why I'll sleep. Yesterday night I can't sleep properly, and that's why now I'll sleep and complete my sleep. So only 3 hours I sleep yesterday night. So okay, and tomorrow morning I want to wake up early, and want to go to the village with mummy. so that's why I want to sleep just now. I'll try to do study, if it possible, otherwise I'll sleep. And when I go outside, at that time I had completed my all the tasks. And okay, now I am going to sleep. And okay guys, that's it for today's vlog. We will meet another one. Okay, bye bye.